All right, today on the Lugnut, it is time to unveil a brand new cluster from Dakota Digital. When they first launched this, or had it on their website, I made a call, ordered what they told me at the time was the second one. It arrived, and then it took me forever to get the truck running. So a little delay, but I've yet to see a real review on them. Now, one of the things I noticed when I first got it was the screen seemed quite small and they were square, and I actually posted on one of their Instagram posts, and I was actually disappointed. But after having them in the truck for the last month, I have to say I'm actually really impressed. They just turn that stereo off. They do almost everything that I would have wanted. Now I'll get it out of the way right away. This has a G meter, a little round circle with a dot that floats around. It's pretty neat for a couple seconds. I was more looking forward to the drags options in their other clusters, but this will do so many things. I'm absolutely fine that, you know, it's not there. So you can see here I've split up each of these gauges because I'm kind of a nerd sometimes. I always like having a clock. You know, a lot of the information that comes from the OBD2 you can put up there. You can also, of course, put in other sensors and compass and temp and all that jazz. So over here, I mean, we're showing this gear selection is, of course, gotten from the ECU. No extra, because this truck is an LS swapped pickup, so it's tied right in. Of course, we got a tack over here, which is cool. Each mode has a high vis option. We're on layout number 4, and you can change all of these, and this is all just layout 4 on this modern option, I think is what it's called. But it's all programmable. Oh, I was going too far. There we go. All programmable off your phone, of course. You can get into it and get into your setup, adjust speed, how you're getting it, your oil, your temp. Warning, there's the G4 stuff. It's pretty neat. You can see there it says camera. Now, one of the things I find that's, you know, really cool, throw it in reverse and there's your backup camera. Of course, it's sitting in the garage right now. So it's pretty trick. I like it. I like it a lot. Like I said, I was a little thrown back that these were smaller displays. I thought, you know, just being super critical of them, I thought they could be bigger. But after living with it for a month and putting 834 kilometers on this truck since it was a complete rebuild, I'm happy with them, really happy. And you can see, I mean, the interior is red and black, and you know, so it kind of, I've got this color mode set up kind of like that. Then of course you hit the headlights and they change, and yeah, I mean, there's off the app, there's so many different options you can do. I highly recommend it. It isn't cheesy at all. Well, maybe it is, and maybe it's just my taste, but yeah, anyways, those are BMW seats, by the way, and yes, they're fully functioning, and cup holders, because always got to have cup holders. So anyways, Dakota Digital Graphix, I recommend it. It's pretty awesome.